Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a little girl named Lily. Lily had big dreams and a heart full of curiosity. Every day, she would explore her neighborhood, looking for adventures. One sunny afternoon, as Lily was playing in the park, she discovered a mysterious key hidden beneath a bush. Intrigued, she picked it up and wondered what it could unlock. With excitement bubbling inside her, she decided to go on a quest to find the hidden treasure. Lily followed the clues engraved on the key. They led her through winding paths, across a babbling brook, and into a dense forest. She walked cautiously, feeling both scared and excited at the same time. Her determination pushed away her fear. Finally, Lily reached an old rusty door nestled between two tall trees. She inserted the key into the lock and turned it with a creaking sound. The door swung open, revealing a magical garden filled with vibrant flowers, singing birds, and friendly animals. In the middle of the garden, there stood a wise old woman with kind eyes. She introduced herself as Mrs. Rose and explained that the garden was a special place for dreamers and adventurers like Lily. Mrs. Rose shared stories of courage, friendship, and the power of imagination. Lily spent hours in the magical garden, soaking up the wisdom and joy it offered. She made friends with the animals and helped tend to the beautiful flowers. Mrs. Rose became her mentor, guiding her on the path of self-discovery. As time passed, Lily realized that the true treasure she had discovered was not a physical object, but the lessons and experiences she gained along the way. She had learned the importance of following her dreams, overcoming fears, and cherishing the beauty of nature. With a grateful heart, Lily bid farewell to Mrs. Rose and the enchanted garden. She carried the lessons she learned with her and shared them with others in her town. Lily became known as the girl with the adventurous spirit and a heart full of kindness. And so, the little girl who once found a key unlocked a world of magic, and in doing so, she unlocked her own potential. Lily's story inspired others to embrace their own journeys, reminding them that every adventure begins with a single step of curiosity and courage.